We have simplified the way you create appointments on Faces. Start by going into your calendar and clicking the plus sign. Tap Create Appointment and select which client you would like to create an appointment for. Choose a business location, date and start time for their appointments, and remember to select the treatments that they'd like to have to send the correct consent forms automatically. You can also customise how long you'd like to reserve the appointment for by clicking on Hold Appointments. Ensure consistent care by scheduling automatic follow-ups. Select from different business boosters to remind clients and collect payments for their treatments. At the end of the page, review your treatment prices and add your signature. Once done, click Create to successfully add the appointment to your calendar. You can also review your appointment details by clicking on the client's name on your calendar. You'll get an overview of the appointment you've just created, along with all the necessary documents needed for the treatment. You can also still edit client follow-ups and hold times if you need to.